silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you. In a world so chaotic, your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart's song. Together we belong, two souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it all. Bound by a love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home. Together forever, never too long. So here's my heart in words unsaid, to the one I love, forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never cease. The silence of the night, I feel your presence here. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you. In a world so chaotic, your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart. So together we belong, to souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it all. Bound by a love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home. Together forever, never too long. So here's my heart in words unsaid, to the one I love, not forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never cease. Is your love some words unsaid to the one I love, my forever ahead. In your embrace I find my home. Together forever, never too long. So here's my heart in words unsaid, to the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my head. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never. The hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play. Two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony begins in this timeless tale, where our hearts begin to spin. Through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather ever true and when warm. So let the winds carry our love's sweet refrain in this cinematic song, where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat, our souls entwine in this epic love story, yours and mine. troubled soul, you're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you in a world so chaotic. Your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart song. Together we belong. Two souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it all. Bound by your love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home. Together, forever, never to wrong. So here's my heart in words unsaid. To the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never cease. The hush of twilight where the shadows softly play. Two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites.